welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. Today I am kicking off my Easter decorations and decorating for the season, and I'm going to start in my front patio. So I'm going to take you along. Today's going to be a little different because I don't have to, you know, like really clean the front patio. We just had all that done for a baby shower that we had for my new little grandbaby coming. So just had the windows washed, which is kind of part of my spring cleaning, you know what I mean? And, you know, hosed off and cleaned up the front patio really well. So I don't have to do that kind of stuff. So I get to just come in and do the decorating. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna do really fun stuff in the front patio as you walk in and just make that really magical. So I'm super excited. So I've got everything that I'm gonna use on the table here, and let me show you what I've got and then we'll get started. So this is what I've pulled so far. These fun little accents that you can stick into plants or your front yard, your lawn. These fun eggs. My new little best friend I showed you in my new little shop with me video that went out. Some pillows, some eggs, some fun new decor. This is an iron piece, and then, you know, my carrot stuff that I'm gonna use, pillow covers, entry mats, all this kind of fun stuff. So I have plenty else to pull from if I am needing. I am gonna be using this beautiful bookshelf that I have out there. So I've got plenty of new little areas that I can use some decorating stuff. So, you know, I may come in here and pull some more stuff. I'm super excited. So this is what we do. And I'm gonna be doing a video showing you how I plan for a video, or how I plan for Easter or a holiday decor. But this is how it kind of starts. We've got our bins out. We've got everything I plan to use laid out on the table here. And we're gonna get started. So let's do this. Okay, so out in this space, this is what I'm working on. I've got my new white hutch I'm super excited about. I've cleared off everything that was there because I've got a fun idea with this artificial turf. I think it'll end up being really cute. I've got my chairs here, this side of the patio, and then, sorry for the glare, I have pillow covers to put out on there. So here is, again, all of my stakes and stuff I'm using and everything to get started. So I'm just gonna jump in.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now,
okay, so since this carpet has been, you know, rolled up for, you know, over the year, I'm just putting some heavy stuff. This is not going to go there, obviously. These will, but I'm hoping that I can get it a little more, you know, this is nice and heavy to keep it down, but we'll be working on that. But that's kind of my idea. I just think it's super fun with kind of a lot of the ideas that I've got going. So anyhow, we'll just keep going.
there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. this morning when I wake, I feel like Sleeping Beauty, and the world is at my feet. Bring the heat, deep sleep, big heat, cover me, re-energize me, while I fantasize. Deep sleep, big heat, cover me, turn out the light. Maybe you can lay here beside me, maybe, just maybe, we can rest in clouds and suns. Maybe, just maybe, I wanna explore the unknown. Tell me, maybe, I say come, whatever comes. Maybe, just maybe, deep sleep, big heat, cover me, re-energize me, while I fantasize. Deep sleep, big heat, cover me, turn out the light. Deep sleep, big heat, cover me.
Okay, so I took a little break because I just felt like we needed some more things, and it wasn't stuff that I had, you know, in my stash. This is my florals, those are gonna go in here. I think this combo is gonna be really, really pretty. You know, we have so much pinks and blues and orange and all that kind of stuff that I thought these would just really, really play off nicely. But I did go over to Michael's because I have an idea. Set the camera up and I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, put it together and see, you know, what I think. But really love these. I'm really loving the grass down here. I kind of wish I had, you know, an even bigger, you know, thing right here, another patch. But I'm gonna look and see how this looks, and I'm gonna live with it. I'm gonna live with it for a couple of days and just see what I'm thinking. And, you know, there might be a few changes by the time my tour comes, the Easter Spring Decor tour. I might have a little something else, we don't know. But I always recommend to just kind of live with something for a while, you know, before you just run out and do a bunch, you know what I mean? Just see how you're feeling. But I'm really super happy with the shelf. I think this is just really coming along. I've got a couple more things. I just felt like I just needed a little bit extra things right here. So we'll see. But I'm really, really, really happy. Oh, my shadow. It's kind of a bad time of day. So I'm just gonna go ahead, pick up the set the camera up and finish this up with my idea, and then we'll give a final look.
Showed me how to reach for the best of myself. It's all good when you
I think these little added florals just do the touch. It ties in with the purple, you know, and this cute, cute bunny and all the carrots, but it just gives a little bit of freshness. And then these little sticks here with the carrots coming out, I think just finished this little bunny and carrot one off. And I'm just loving this tiered, love that. And I'm just absolutely loving this little bottom. And the little florals, I think, again, just add, you know, just add to it. Just add a little life. I am so happy I found this. And I am so excited for every holiday we have to be able to decorate this. I I am just in love. And it just has such a statement piece here. It just tells you what you're looking forward to coming inside the house. You know what I mean? And I'm really loving this little, my idea was, you know, with the green rugs, I thought it just kind of looked like it was like a little picket fence type of thing. I'm loving this look, and I think it's absolutely adorable. Absolutely adorable. My only thing is, will I get one more strip? You know, and will I get more of these tulips? Oh, this glare is so bad. I apologize. But you know what I mean? Do I need one more on each side? That's the main question. But I love the yellow going with the bunny. I think that is just stunning. And I love the floral. And up here you see the Easter eggs in each of the little bins. I love this. This is so fun. You know, and these florals, I love the pop of orange. And we've got the little Easter egg. Oh, I love it. I love this. I'm actually going to put a very heavy box down here. But I really love how it turned out. I love the look. We just got to get it centered down more. And on this side, oh, I love it. And I love the wreath. I just think this has come together so well. I'm just absolutely in love. Absolutely in love. And I just think this little fence is so amazing. My guess is yes, I'm going to have another plant on each side. I think, how could you not? I think that is definitely something that can be done.
Yeah, 'cause even if I fall, ooh, I trust you'll stay, yeah, stay. And through the dark and cold, I know it's all good, 'cause now I'm the best of myself. Tried so hard, stumbling in the dark, to learn how to see what you already saw. You're the one.
Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some good ideas and had fun watching it. And I don't know, maybe you'll go out and do something and post something to show what you did. But I'm super happy. You may see a few changes before in my home tour, but I am just super excited for this. I think it's really fun and just whimsical, and I think that's the funnest part of being able to decorate. So thank you so much. Please make sure you subscribe and like this video and comment below what was your favorite part. I absolutely love hearing those from you guys. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.